Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.7 question number 1. 3.7 question number 1. Question number 1 is Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizers of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. What you have to find? In this case, we have to find the HCF of 75 kg and 69 kg. We will find the HCF of 75 kg and 69 kg. Right? Here we are doing the solution of this problem. We will find the HCF of 75. That means 75 is equal to and 69. We will find the HCF of these two numbers. First of all, find the HCF of 75. 75 by prime factorization method we are doing this one, that is 5 1 is 5, 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25 and 5 3 is 15, 5 3 is 15. Therefore, we can write 75 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3, that is 5 into 5 into 3, and 69 can be written as 69. You see, this number is divisible by 3 because 9 plus 6 is 15 and 15 is divisible by 3. Therefore, by 3 we are dividing this number. 3 2 is 6 and 3 3 is 9. And prime 73 is a prime number, right? Therefore, we write here as 3 into 23. Now, what is the HCF of this number? This number HCF of two number is HCF of 79. Therefore, HCF of 75 and 69 is equal to, you see what is common in both, that is 3 is common, right? Therefore 3, unit is kg, here you see the unit is kg, therefore it will be 3 kg. Now what is the question? Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times, right? That means if we measure with a bag of 3 kg, then it will measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times, right? This is the solution of question number 1. Or you can say, we can write here also that find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. The above maximum value is 3 kg. Therefore, the maximum value of weight, the maximum value of weight is 3 kg, which can measure measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times, right? Exact exact number of times. Right? Now you see the maximum value of weight is 3 kg, which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. This is the solution of question number A. 1.